let a bar is equal to I minus 2z plus 3k. If a b bar is a vector such that a bar dot b bar is equal to modulus of b bar square here, and modulus of a bar minus b bar is the root of 7, then modulus of b bar is equal to what here? In this case, they given here modulus of a bar minus of b bar is equal to root of 7 here. Then squaring on both sides here, squaring on both sides here. Therefore, modulus of a bar square here, then the plus modulus of b bar square minus of 2 into a bar dot b bar here is equal to 7 here. Then the modulus of a bar square, here modulus a bar is this vector here, so therefore root of so 1 square is 1 here plus 2 square is 4, then the plus and 3 square is 9 here, it's a square here, then the plus modulus of b bar square minus 2 into, and also they given a bar dot b bar is the modulus of b bar square, therefore this is the modulus of b bar square is equal to 7 here. Here square root and square cancels here, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 14 here, 14 and I take a 7 left side here, minus of 7, modulus of b bar square minus 2 into modulus of b bar square, minus modulus of b bar square, take right hand side here, it becomes a modulus of b bar square, 14 minus 7 is a 7 here, is equal to modulus of b bar square here. Here we want modulus of b bar, as a modulus of b bar is equal to root of 7 here. Therefore C answer here. So if a bar and b bar are unit vectors, then what is the angle between a bar and b bar for root 3 into a bar minus a b bar to be a unit vector here? Therefore these are unit vectors here. Modulus of a bar is equal to 1, modulus of b bar is equal to 1 here, and this is also unit vector, root 3 into a bar minus of b bar is equal to 1 here. Then squaring on both sides here, so root 3 into a bar minus of b bar, it's a square, is equal to 1 square here. Therefore expand it here, 3 into modulus of a bar square here, then the plus modulus of b bar square minus of 2 root 3 into a bar dot b bar, a bar dot of b bar, that is equal to 1 here. Then here this is 1, this is also 1 here, so 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 into a bar dot b bar is a modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos of theta is equal to 1 here. Therefore this one and this one get cancels here, so write here 3 and take this term right hand side, this is 1, this is also 1, because these are unit vectors here, this is 1, this is also 1, 2 root 3 into cos theta, take right hand side here. And so 2 root 3 into cos of theta, and this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 here, and cross multiply 2 root 3 is equal to cos of theta here, root 3, this root 3 cancels here, so cos of theta is equal to root 3 by 2, therefore theta must be 30 degree. Therefore first option is 30 degree. So if the moduli of the vectors a bar, b bar, c bar are 3, 4, 5 respectively, and a bar, b bar plus c bar, b bar and c bar plus a bar, c bar and a bar plus c bar are mutually perpendicular, then moduli of modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to what here? Okay, so here they given modulus of a bar is equal to 3, modulus of b bar is equal to 4, and the modulus of c bar is equal to 5. Here these two are perpendicular. Yes sir, dot product is 0. So a bar perpendicular to b bar plus c bar here. Therefore its a dot product is 0. A bar dot of b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. Take a bar inside here. Yes, a bar dot of b bar plus a bar dot of c bar is equal to 0. So similarly, these two are perpendicular. B bar perpendicular to c bar plus a bar. Therefore, so b bar dot of c bar plus a bar is equal to 0. Take this b bar inside here. So b bar dot of c bar plus b bar dot of a bar, or you can write here a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Then c bar and a bar plus b bar perpendicular. C bar perpendicular to a bar plus b bar. Therefore, so c bar dot of a bar plus b bar is equal to 0. So take this c bar inside here. A bar dot c bar, then plus b bar dot c bar is equal to 0. So adding here, okay, so adding we get 2 times a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus a bar dot c bar, that is equal to 0. Therefore, modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar, it's a square, is equal to modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square plus modulus of c bar square, then plus 2 times a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot of c bar plus c bar dot of a bar. Yes sir, this is equal to, here the modulus of a bar is 3. 3 squares are 9 here. Then plus 4 squares are 16 plus 6 square, 5 squares are 25 here. And this becomes a 0 plus 0. So sum of these numbers gives the 50 here. Take the square root of right hand side here. Is the modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar is the root of 50. Root of 50 means 25 into 2, 50 here, therefore 5 root 2. So C answer is. So if a bar, b bar, c bar are perpendicular to b bar plus c bar plus a bar and a bar plus b bar respectively, and if modulus of a bar plus b bar equal to 6, modulus of b bar plus c bar is 8, modulus of c bar plus a bar is 10, then modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to what here? So obviously the previous example here, so we are using the same result here. Even here also they are perpendicular, we get this result here. And in this case they given here modulus of a bar plus b bar is equal to 6. Modulus of b bar plus c bar is equal to 8, and the modulus of c bar plus a bar is equal to 10. So squaring and adding, squaring and adding, we get so 2 times modulus of a bar square plus modulus of b bar square plus modulus of C bar square here, bracket complete. Then plus 2 into A bar dot of B bar plus B bar dot of C bar plus C bar dot of A bar is equal to 6 square is 36 here plus 8 square 64 plus 10 square is 100 here. So add these numbers here, it gives 200 here. Take result 1 here and take this one as a result number 2. Use 2 in the 1 here, so use it. This becomes a 0. So therefore, put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1 here. Therefore, complete this term becomes a 0. So 2 times modulus of A bar square plus modulus of B bar square plus modulus of C bar square is equal to 200 here. Take 2 right side here. 200 upon 2 becomes 100. Therefore, modulus of A bar square plus modulus of B bar square plus modulus of C bar square is equal to 100 here. Is equal to 100. Therefore, modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar, its square is equal to modulus of A bar square plus modulus of B bar square plus modulus of C bar square plus 2 times A bar dot of B bar plus B bar dot of C bar plus C bar dot of A bar. Therefore, sum of these numbers is 100 here. So this is equal to 100. And this becomes a 0. Take the square right side here. Yes, modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Square root of 100 here is equal to 10. Therefore, 10 is the answer. C answer here. So if modulus of A bar is 3, modulus of B bar is 4, then a value of lambda for which A bar plus lambda B bar is perpendicular to A bar minus lambda into B bar. So here they are perpendicular to each other. Hence dot product is A bar plus lambda into B bar dot of A bar minus lambda into B bar is equal to 0. So dot product, therefore modulus of A bar square minus of lambda square into modulus of B bar square equal to 0. Hence modulus of A bar square divided by modulus of B bar square is equal to lambda square. Here modulus of A bar is 3. 3 square is 9. Otherwise, can write here lambda is equal to modulus of A bar divided by modulus of B bar here. Therefore, the answer is 3 by 4 here. Okay. So, B is the answer here. Here, A bar and B bar they given here. Then angle between the vectors A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar here. But to find here A bar plus B bar, adding these vectors here, 3i plus I becomes a 4i, 2j minus j plus j here, minus 3k plus 2k gives minus of k. Then A bar minus B bar subtract each other. I minus 3i gives minus 2i. 2j plus j becomes 3j. Minus 3k minus 2k gives minus of 5k. Then find its dot product here. If dot product is 0, then obviously they are perpendicular to each other. But check here if dot product is 0 or not here. 4 into minus 2 gives a minus of 8. 3 into 1 becomes a 3. Minus 1 into minus 5 gives plus 5. 5 plus 3, 8 minus 8 becomes 0. So therefore dot product is 0. Yes sir, A bar plus B bar perpendicular to A bar minus B bar. Therefore angle theta must be what here? 90 degree. Therefore C answer.